This is Arup from the channel Language and Literature. Today I am going to talk about how to deal with prices and discount. Whether you are buying groceries or shop for clothing or buying anything online, you need to know how to talk about prices and ask for discount. As soon as I enter any shop, I first look at the price tag to know how much the price of this commodity I am going to buy. If I see that the prices of this commodity is higher than my budget range, I look for another cheaper one. But in some shops, there is no price tag attached with the commodity. In that situation, I have to ask the seller, how much is this? What is the price of this item or product or commodity? This is how I communicate with the seller, and it is really very important. I know that some shops sometimes offers discounts such as buy one and get one free or 50% off. Therefore, I always ask the seller, is there any discount on this product or on this item? Do you have any special offer on this item? If you are lucky, you may get some discount on the product you are going to buy. So it is always worth trying. Whenever I go to buy online, I always check if there is any coupon code or free shipping. If I can save some money, that is really my credit. And it can be a huge thing in a broader sense. For example, if you save 50 taka for a commodity you have bought, you can save 50,000 taka if you buy 1,000 product for your business. So you can understand how important it is to deal with prices and discounts. Think about the special days in our country, be it Poila Boishakh or Eid ul Adha or Eid ul Fitr or Puja festivals like Durga Puja. In these festivals, many shops decrease prices to a great extent, and I think it is really very good day for someone to buy expensive product. And think about another situation. In maximum shops or maximum markets in our country, like New Market, there is no other option except bargaining with the seller. When they say a product which cost 1,000 taka, I may offer 500 taka, and I say, can you give me for 500 taka? Can you give it to me for 500 taka? Sometimes they say yes, sometimes they say no. But it is always worth trying. From today's discussion, I have tried to make you understand how important it is to deal with prices and discount. You may save thousands of taka, you can save a huge amount of economy if you deal with prices and discounts smartly. Thank you very much for watching today's video. Thank you. Have a great time. Thank you.